Tuesday morning, it was a low-profile arrival at JKIA, the usual presidential motorcade and trappings of power, nowhere in sight, as private citizen Uhuuro Kenyatta headed for the departure lounge on his way to The Hague, Netherlands, to attend a two-day ICC status conference, after temporarily ceding power to Deputy President William Ruto the day before. But Thursday morning, it will be a different picture altogether. This after the instrument that conveyed presidential authority to Deputy President William Ruto expired at 6 p.m. Wednesday. According to the Presidential Service Communication Unit, the president assumed his powers as soon after he stepped out of the courtroom, where he was seen surrounded by hawk-eyed security men. The Kenya Airways flight carrying the president is expected to touch down at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport at 6:30 this Thursday. According to sources, the president will be welcomed by Deputy President William Ruto before inspecting a guard of honor. A circular released by Interior Cabinet Secretary Joseph Ole Lenku says the president's entourage will then embark on a Meet the People tour from 8:30 a.m. From JKIA, his entourage will snake its way through Outer Ring Road onto Jogoo Road before joining Landis Road with a number of stopovers to address the crowds and later head to his Harambee House office to continue with his national duties. His return from The Hague is expected to be full of pomp and color, bringing back the memories of the April 2011 triumphant return when President Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto jetted back into the country after attending the ICC court proceedings for the very first time. The two, alongside former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, who is now a fierce opponent of the administration, used the same route before they were later elected into office in the March 2013 election. Chris, the K24 Evening Edition.